Hello to all my wonderful friends out there. I hope my dear children are doing absolutely great. So, some of us has officially moved out of the examination zone and some of us are still there wondering what went wrong, what could have been done correctly. Listen to me carefully. I always tell this examination is not the end of the world, and most of the times in our life we get second chances. So think of second PUC, second attempt as your second chance, and obviously it is going to be your last chance here in this particular academic year. And I'll be explaining more about it. I'll be explaining everything around it because I saw some questions. Make sure you watch this video until the end. It is going to be really informative and obviously true. And one very important thing, yes, I think we should be going ahead and then we shall be discussing it one by one. That would make more sense. So the first question that probably you might have in your head is that, is it my last chance for this particular academic year? So because ma'am, previous year there was examination 1, examination 2, examination 3 as well. Yes, there were 3 examinations the previous year, but this year it's just 2. Why not 3? Because there were so many competitive examination as well, and this PU3 examination was coming in between all of that, and also the result publishing date and everything got so much late that it affected the other exams counseling rounds as well, for example KCET also. So this time it is not going to happen like that. And with that, I also want to tell one more thing. If you are someone who is going to write KCET examination and thinks that, okay, if I go and give the second attempt of PUC, will I be able to participate in all rounds of KCET and things like that? Will it be delayed? No, it is not going to be delayed, which is exactly why they have kept only 2 examinations. So it is definitely your last chance, and everyone who is there for KCET, who is going to appear for KCET, definitely you can safely go ahead with attempting for this particular examination out there. Cool? Now, next question, when can you register? So there is a registration window that is going to open just after your results are going to be published. Your exam 1, okay, your PU2 exam 1 results are going to be published. After that, you would have to go ahead with the registration process. Obviously, there will be a minimal amount of fee per subject that you would have to pay, okay. And one very important thing, I think that is the next question as well, that is who can attempt? Who can attempt? The children who are wanting an improvement because you saw your results and you feel that I want to go ahead, give this examination because I am pretty sure I'll get an improvement out there, okay. Or if at all you are someone who have failed the examination, you can also go ahead with giving the second attempt. Okay, so it is actually known as an improvement examination. It is not known as a supplementary examination. For this reason, as in those who want to improve can improve, and obviously those who have failed also can give the examination and improve better. Yes. So everyone who was worried until now, please do not be worried. Please stay calm. Yeah. And by the way, is this video helping you? Well, if at all it is, I'm pretty sure other videos that are going to be posted up in this channel is definitely going to help you out. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button for all such videos. Yes, going ahead, can you attempt multiple subjects? Obviously yes, you can go ahead and attempt multiple subjects. There is no limit to it, okay. So whatever subjects you had initially, you have given initially, you can repeat all those subjects if at all you want, or probably if you just want to go with physics or chemistry or bio or mathematics, you can go ahead with that. The choice is definitely yours. Just think about it. Will you have the time to prepare for it? That is also one very important question. So please make sure you have that in your head. As I said, it is going to happen right after your KCET. Okay, it is happening according to PU2 board, the timetable that they have given as of now, which is subjected to changes, but I think it won't. So it is happening on 25th. Okay, it is going to start from 25th onwards, and on 24th your KCET examinations are going to end. That means that before that obviously you have to spend some time for KCET preparation, right? If at all you ruin that is also a big problem. So make sure you have that in your head, and then only go ahead with registering for multiple subjects out there. Yes. And now the next question, and that is, if my marks in exam number 1 was better than exam number 2, will it be considered? So suppose in exam 1, your marks for biology was 50, okay, and now exam 2, your marks in biology is probably 45. Which one will be considered? The recent one? No. The one which is better is going to be considered. So over here we can clearly see the better one is the previous one. So that is going to be selected. So do not worry that if at all I gave the improvement examination and the improvement, my marks are not improved, rather it goes the other way around. What is going to happen? Don't worry, your older marks will be considered. Best after the two is going to be considered. So that is also clear. Yes? Yes. Fine. So these are the things I think were the common doubts. If at all you have anything else to say, put it down in the comment section. And by the way, did you think that this particular channel had helped you? Definitely let us know in the comment section about that as well. We are really eager to know about that. Yeah? Yes. And my dear children, one more very important thing, that is, if I failed in the previous academic year, can I give this examination? So suppose you gave the examination the previous academic year, 2024-25 batch, and now you are here, you gave the first examination, and in that also you didn't score well. Can I give the next examination also? Yes, you can. Yes, you definitely can. Okay, so that is also not a problem. Yeah? Yes. Now, one very important update for all children who are preparing for KCET examination. We have launched a crash course, that is KC30 crash course. It's a crash course, okay? It's a crash course which makes you prepared for KCET examination within 30 days itself. There will be PU1, PU2 syllabus coverage. There will be KCET PYQ question practice, okay? There will be mock test available to you, all of it for rupees 2499. If at all you are someone who is really wanting a support in study, definitely you can go ahead with KC30 crash course. Now if you feel that, okay, if you feel that no ma'am, I basically, and that's an online course by the way. Now if you feel that no ma'am, I have to study in an offline setup, can I do so? Yes, definitely you can do so. There is Lakshya KCET offline crash course as well, and there's a 3000 off going on. So if at all you're interested, you can take that up. The link for all this thing is given in the description section, so make sure you check it out. And it's a limited time offer. The ABHYAS KCET test series price has also dropped. It is available for rupees 999 now. So there is a test series for everyone who feels that I can prepare for KCET by myself, but the questions I want to prepare, newer questions, then you can go for the KCET test series as well. Okay, so this is for children who really want a help. Apart from that, if at all you feel that no, I'm okay, I'll be doing it myself, it's your wish, you can go ahead like that also. So that's all for now. Wishing you the best, and please take care of yourself, and please do not be worried. Give your best for the next examination. Yes, bye bye, take care, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Lots of love from GJ ma'am.